Today's teacher in the classroom is Dr. Lorraine Day. I'm always excited every time she comes into the classroom. So today's class will not be on Facebook and YouTube. It will only be on Odyssey and BitChute. And the link will be in the description, either below or above it, wherever the description is. Just click on it and it will take you straight to Odyssey and BitChute. Dr. Day and I talked about our guide. Who's your guide? How do you find truth? How do you seek truth? And so we had a great conversation today. So Dr. Day, thank you so much for coming on. What should people expect when they click on to the link below to go to the Odyssey and the BitChute to hear the entire class?
That you will find that you don't find truth with philosophy. You don't find it with government. You don't find it with medicine. You don't find it with any of these other kinds of religions. You don't even find it in a church. Where you find truth is through knowing Jesus Christ personally. As I said, Christianity is not a religion. It is a personal relationship with Jesus Christ. In order to separate truth from fiction, whether it's in your health, whether it's in the political realm, whether it's in the religious realm, you have to know Jesus Christ. He is the way, the truth, and the life. Truth is not found anywhere else. And if you don't know the Lord, and if you're not searching for him with all your heart, you will have no way to survive what's coming.
Absolutely. And also, if you want to learn even more about, we have the New Truth series, Book of Revelation, whether it's DVD or online, and also the 100 Lessons from the Exodus. Lots of great information for those of you. You can also go to Dr. Day's website. She has a free Bible study as well. There's so many different ways that you can learn this truth. So stay tuned. Go to whenyounneedafriend.com. Make sure that while you're there, please subscribe, like and follow me on all social media, including BitChute and Odyssey. And, decide what you want. How do you want to live your life? Who do you want your guide to be? Do you want someone who may give you the truth, or someone who's only showing you the truth? So it's your choice. And I hope and pray that you will make the right one. And please remember, we'll be right here waiting for you worldwide at whenyounneedafriend.com. This is Lillian McDermott and Dr. Lorraine Day wishing you love, peace, joy, and unexpected abundance. Make it the best day ever.